What's up everyone? So today is part 2 of installing ReactOS on an old Pentium 4 Dell. Now, in the previous part, which I'm uploading right now, and it's taking a while because it's really slow, I tried installing ReactOS 040 off a USB flash drive onto this Pentium 4 Dell right there. Now, for some reason it did not work. It did not like. I tried removing the graphics card and everything, so I'm sorry it couldn't get to work. So now I've downloaded the latest ISO 043, and hopefully that works. So now you're gonna see me reinstall this hard drive again because I removed it. Okay. Okay. Hard drive is officially sort of installed. Okay, now I'm now going to power up the flash drive. The computer. Let's see what happens. As I was going to find the ID configuration. Shit. I am now going to skip it. And there we go. Now going to boot to the USB. Let's see if this works. That's obviously something else. Now, before this didn't work, it's probably going to be the same thing, but let's not bring our hopes down yet. It's probably going to get the same thing, and if not, I'll just burn the freaking CD. Next, I think what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try Ubuntu 10.04 in case this doesn't work, to make sure that this computer will boot. We'll actually boot to Linux outside of Ubuntu 12. Loading all the DLL. Alright. I'm gonna skip this. Alright, no. Please don't be a black screen. You saw what's gonna happen in part 1. Part 1 is I showed you how ReactOS sets up, and this should work. I don't know why it's taking forever. Seems to be taking forever, so I'll just cut it out. And we are at the usual black screen. I think I'm gonna wait a few minutes, and then if this doesn't boot, I'll just shut it off and load up Ubuntu. Yeah, so it looks like it's not loading at all, so I'm gonna try this on another computer and see if this works. So, shut it off. Alright guys, USB is in. I'm gonna just power this thing up really quick, see what happens. yeah, escape. And yes, this is actually uploading. It's taking forever, as you see. Only 7%. Don't know why we're waiting. And as you see, we are getting the same error. Now, there are a couple things that could be wrong. One, this flash drive is crap. Or two, I will need to use another flash drive. Now, I will try another flash drive if necessary. So, I think now I'm going to go back to the Dell and just install Ubuntu and see if that boots. Well, that didn't actually work, so now I'm going to see if I can boot up Ubuntu. Okay. I also made another flash drive, but that'll wait. And I'll have to cut the recording so I can put the camera down. Alright. Let's see if it likes this USB. What the fuck? Invalid or corrupt kernel image? No default UI directory found? What the fuck? Oh my god. Great. Shit. Yep. Fucked. Yep, this Linux thing is not working. Luckily, I got another ReactOS flash drive. So I'm going to put that to the Dell right now. Here's the new flash drive, 16 gig. And it's a good flash drive. The other ones were just cheap Chinese Luxors and shit. So while that loads, which actually loads a little faster. At least now the good news is this flash drive actually blinks so we can see what's going on. So as you can see, it's not blinking, and I got a black screen again, so I think now we're going to have to resort to Oh, I don't want to do this. CD boot. I'm gonna go burn a CD right now. Shit. Time to burn another CD. And literally this is my second to last CD. So let's see, I'm going to slow down the thing to 16. I'm going to actually not finalize disk. Image file, good. Actually, sure though. Burn, and now I'm burning. So I'll be back when this is done. Here's the CD, and it better work, because if it doesn't, it's going to be a waste. And if I can figure out how to get the damn iPad to actually hold steady. You know, the iPad could hold steady, that would actually be really nice at the moment. Ah, shit. Hold on a second, guys. Sorry. Okay, guys, I got the camera to stand up. So now I'm going to put the optical drive. And I gotta restart it, obviously. Yay me. And this computer is so old. ID CD-ROM device, go! What the fuck? Wrong optical drive. So it seems I have the wrong optical drive. Great. And now it will only boot to the master. So I'm going to find a paperclip and put it in. Okay, I got the optical drive out. So monitor will boot. The top drive for some reason likes to get stuck, so that one's spinning up, so I think we got the correct hard drive. I think we got the right one. Yeah, we do. There we go. We're booting. Let's see if the CD method works. And holy shit, it's actually loading up a lot faster on CD than USB. Probably running on USB 1.1. You can see the optical drive light blinking away. Yeah! We got ReactOS on here! Alright, let's install it. English. Shit. Ah, shit, we need an optical. We need to break out the PS2 keyboard. Okay, keyboard's working. So let's install it. Press enter and install ReactOS. Actually, no, I want to change this. So this monitor is 1600 by 900. So it'll okay, change. Well, let's just do 1020 or SM68. And as you see, you're now installing ReactOS. And for some reason, I only like CDs and not USBs. And now we just gotta wait for this mess to copy files. It's actually going quite fast. I want my ReactOS CD back. I hope this ReactOS CD will come out. And there we go. Look at that. Install bootloader. And now we reboot the computer. So let's pray that it actually works. Holy shit, we have ReactOS on the hard drive. Let's see if it boots. Or will it not like my video card? Still recording, right? Yeah, it is. It seems to be stuck at the screen for no reason. I think it locked up. I'm gonna figure this thing out. Okay, so it's stuck, and I think it doesn't like my video card because there's no hard drive activity. I'm gonna pull the video card and try the integrated now. Video card's out. Again, if you want it. This is the Geforce 6200. See? The Geforce card. Alright, now. Alright, why does that camera keep falling? You probably aren't going to see well, but it should work. It's not booting. That ain't no good. That ain't good. It's not booting. I'm gonna wait a few minutes and then maybe I'll plug into the HP, see what happens. So, here. I'm just gonna... I plugged my hard drive into that computer and now I'm gonna see if it boots up. On it. Because it did not like the paying for it. We got ReactOS, so now... Oh shit, didn't plug in the keyboard. In theory it should do. And we just get a black screen. Don't know why, but oh my god, why does it have to be so hard? Alright, let's give ReactOS another try. Since it didn't boot in the Pentium 4, I'm just going to Just connect another hard drive to this thing. And now I'm going to install ReactOS. Oh shit. There we go. Okay, so now I'm just EVGA GPT protected. Okay. Now I'm just gonna copy files. Hold on. Let's reboot the computer. I seriously do not want to install on virtual machines. Well, guys, unfortunately that didn't work. I tried multiple things, that didn't work. So now I'm gonna have to do a VirtualBox and see if we can get the damn thing to work. And then I'll have to figure out what the hell is going on. And I do not want to waste another fucking CD and what, oh great. Whoa, that is crazy. And there we go, there's ReactOS. There we go. And now we're just simply, you know, installing ReactOS in a freaking virtual machine. What the hell is going on? Oh, never mind. So now we just gotta go this usual bullshit. What the fuck? I can't believe this. This actually works in VirtualBox, but not freaking. What the hell is going on here? And there we go, it installed successfully on the VirtualBox. Cancel. I don't get why. Alrighty. Yeah, there we go, that's how you install VirtualBox. And there we go. And there we go, that's it. Later.